right, what is up, Kaspa community? Hopefully you guys are having a really great day. There's Maya, she just went right down below. So let's see. I went into a whole rabbit hole into Kaspa. I don't know much about it yet, but I have been doing some research onto it about what it is, when it started, how it works, a bunch of other stuff. And let me tell you, once I started digging in, it sent me through a deep hole, man. It looks good. I like it. I'm gonna give you my honest, transparent view about this. If you want to see some more YouTube videos, price targets, technical analysis, little fundamental learning experiences, whatever, all that stuff, let me know in the comment section. Click that subscribe, click the like button, let me know so that way I can continue making some more videos for you guys. That's the only way I will know that there is actually some interest into making these videos. A lot of people were commenting and tagging me on Twitter, letting me know. I mentioned it actually somebody on YouTube on my live stream mentioned Kaspa, and to be honest with you, I did not know what it was, how it worked, none of that stuff. Crypto is so big. Like, there's a lot of people out there that are just like, I can't believe you never heard about this, so on and so forth. And some of them say it in a little bit of a bad way, other ones not really, which is understandable. I don't really care. That's fine. But you got to also understand that crypto is so freaking huge. There's so many coins out there. You can go down the list of coin market cap, and majority of them you would never even knew existed, or how they work, how they got here, how they developed, so on and so forth. So Kaspa, I'm new to this. I've been doing a little bit of research behind it. This video is not like a informative, educational video in a way. It's more like me learning and wanting you guys to comment down below and informing me more stuff, man. But so far, I'm pretty hooked. It looks good, and I'm going to invest into this. Nothing big, nothing too major, but I will be. By the looks of it, you can also mine this. I don't know anything about mining, but I will look into that as well. It's going to be really nice, man. I like it. Kaspa community, you were showing a lot of love and support on my social medias, so I hope you continue to show me some love. It's not easy, I know. Whenever it comes to going one-on-one or 1v10 on other crypto projects, and you're just like, this one's good, and then you get ambushed by multiple other projects and yours just goes down the list, right? So I know it's tough sometimes. So at the current time of recording, we are sitting at 0.75. A lot of people were, one person on the YouTube live stream that I did mentioned Kaspa. That's whenever I was like, okay, I'll look into it, and it looks good. I like it. It's 53rd right now on CoinGecko. And I've also had one person on Twitter. I say Twitter, you can call it X, whatever. It's the same thing for me. Also, one person DM'd me saying that they were willing to hook me up with 50 tokens just so I can go and experience the Kaspa dApps and interact with the platforms and stuff like that. So I need to message that person back. So shout out to you. I really do appreciate you. Matter of fact, I'm going to give you a shout out on your name because I like to give credit to those that deserve it. And I don't want to, ghost anybody. And I don't want to take credit for something I did. I'm not like that. But the Loaded Lounge, he goes by SEB. So Seb, shout out to you, man. I really do appreciate you. I haven't opened your message yet, but I will here in a bit. But the market cap right now is sitting at $2 billion. The 24-hour trading volume is still looking solid at $72 million with a circulating supply of 26.4 billion. The maximum supply by the looks of it is 28.7 at the current time that I'm recording this. Okay, so of course this is a L1. I love me some L1s. These are sleepers. If you guys know, I love Supra. I am in Supra and I'm loading up my bags as much as I can. If you enjoy the Supra content, come on through to the channel. I would love to have new people out here. We're growing, dude. Out of nowhere, overnight, the YouTube channel went up like almost 100 subs just from the Supra community alone. So I want to see how the Kaspa community does. Show me some love, man. I want to see it. So Kaspa is an open source. This is based off of what I have researched and what I have read and dug into. So I have a list. I have some notes on my notepad that I want to discuss and tell you about it. If I say anything wrong, correct me in the comment section. I don't mind being wrong. I admit it whenever I mess up or cause a little error. I'm that type of person. You know, I'm honest and transparent, and I tell you how things are, so that way you can come back and you can enjoy some good content, some honest content. And I'll tell you if it's going to be looking bearish. I tell you bearish content, and I tell you bullish content. A lot of these influencers and streamers and all that stick with only trying to be bearish. I'm sorry, only sticking with being bullish and try to set aside the bearish. Not me. I tell you how it is. If I think it's going to dump, crash, drop, I will tell you and be straight up about it. If you don't like that, then this channel is not for you, man. But yeah, let's get into it. So layer 1 proof of work blockchain. Kaspa is an open source. I've looked into the leverages of block DAG, directed acyclic graph structure, instead of traditional blockchain. Its native token is KAS, that's what you see right now. I was looking on their website and I was digging through here. And the one thing I do have a question, if you don't mind helping me out. So Twitter, is this their official Twitter page? Because I don't know. It says commentary account. I literally click on the Twitter link that they have on the website. Like I literally click on it and it takes me straight to this one. So I hope I'm not going to tag this Twitter page, because I'm going to make a YouTube video and upload it. So I don't know. Oh, there he is, SEB. So this is the guy that messaged me letting me know about the 50 KAS token. Not, you know, it's just like under $1, you know, just for me to be able to get interested into the dApps and interact with it and all that stuff. So, you know, I don't know if this is their official website, Twitter link. I don't know. So at its core is the Ghost DAG, or the Phantom Protocol, a generalization of Nakamoto consensus. This innovative approach enables parallel block processing, drastically increasing transaction throughput and confirmation speed, which a lot of these tokens and projects, that's what they struggle the most. That speed, that throughput. A lot of them get clogged up, they crash, they shut down, they can't sustain all the throughputs coming on in, okay? It's a high block rate from my understanding. Kaspa produces a block roughly every second based off of what I've seen on their websites and stuff like that. Far faster than Bitcoins. But then again, like, this is what we talked about on the live stream too. The whenever you say, oh, it's faster than Bitcoin, nowadays, crypto's been out for a while already, for months. I'm sorry, for years. I wish months, imagine, for years. So majority of these projects are way faster than Bitcoin. Pretty much 80% of these are way faster than Bitcoin. So it's pretty much instant confirmation times. You know, there's Solana, there's Tron, there's, oh my God, the list goes on and on and on, and it's so much faster than Bitcoin. So yeah. The fair launch was November 7th, 2021. Shout out to my notes right here, man. Again, if I say something wrong, correct me. There was no ICO, no pre-mine. Kaspa was launched without an ICO. That right there, I'm so glad, because I remember back in 2017, it was nothing but ICOs, IEOs, I think it was, initial exchange offerings. I remember Binance was a really good one too. Crypto.com did one, I think, a few others. This is how long I've been in crypto, man. For 10 years, man, time flies. The developers mined the Genesis blocks, but it was structured as a fair launch with a community voting on the use of the opt-in heavy hash mining, and no special privileges were reserved tokens. There was a initial funding of R&D about $8 million. They dissolved before any insider mining took place, though, so that's good to know. $8 million is no joke. The community-funded efforts led to a Rust-based re-implementation back in February of 2023 with enhanced performance that boosted it to 32 blocks per second, which is about 6,400 transactions per second, to support the future smart contracts and layer 2 tools, which is insane. Market cap, $2 billion, like I just said. The recent price action, it's stuck and it's consolidating between that 7 cents to around 8 cent mark. So we are actually in a accumulation phase right now, and it's been doing so for about a month or two. So with miners actively selling, there is some selling strength, but the buy pressure is coming in. In late June, it broke. I was looking at the technical analysis for Kaspa token, and in late June, it broke above the 20-day EMA for about a 10% rally before it had a pullback. So it could do another move like that here in the short term. No promises, no guarantees. You guys know the deal behind all of this. Let me pause right here. So let me show you the Crypto Audit King website. It will be down below in the description. My Twitter page, my Telegram, all the official links will be down below in the description. I've been doing technical analysis for 10 years. And if you want to learn technical analysis with a around 85% accuracy rate, you can check out the website, cryptoauditking.com, and you can teach yourself the beginner or the expert size. If you want to join the private members, it's on YouTube or on Twitter, whichever one is perfectly fine. Our biggest call out was 11,000x, along with all these multiple other ones. I just alerted the most recent two. I think I did 2 or 3 alerts, and we're already in the green. So private members are already enjoying some great calls, some great technical analysis, breakouts, profit taking zones, stuff like that. So be sure to check out the private member groups on YouTube or on Twitter, whichever one you decide to join. I would love to see some new members join up. Kaspa community, let's see what you all have to offer. I'm willing to listen and hear what you have to say. We're trying to grow. I'm trying to grow. This YouTube channel is trying to grow to over 11,000 subs, and we're so close, man. So the mining, major miner Marathon Digital began Kaspa mining operations back in June of last year, signaling institutional interest in the network. That's what plays a big role. That institutional money is crazy. Recognized as a quiet builder. And it's so crazy because I barely heard about this and everything. So I can see it being like a very quiet mover, a big move on the upside, and it's doing it quietly with not much people covering it. And then all of a sudden, once these bigger, I guess, companies, entities, influencers start covering it, like I'm talking massive amounts of followerships and everything, start covering Kaspa whenever it starts exploding, that's where things will really take off. So they among undervalued tokens under 50 cents, especially as it devises EVM compatibility paths. So scalability without sacrifice, offers the speed of high transactions per second systems while maintaining the decentralized and security of proof of work. I forgot to mention that part. Kaspa is currently the fastest proof of work mineable coin in existence while still remaining decentralized. I'm not much of a miner. I did do a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum before, they changed the whole stuff. And then I did start mining, what's that one token? Cadena? Yeah, Cadena token. I mined that one for a hot minute, but nothing really happened on that end. So if you know how to mine, what do you need? I kind of want to dig into the whole mining aspect of KAS token. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to dig on into, that's a whole other rabbit hole that I'm gonna have to get into. So the overall, man, Kaspa for me looks solid, looks good, looks interesting. I just pointed out the little basic stuff that I wrote down, and it's getting my interest, man. It really is. I want to see this grow. I probably didn't cover everything, and the intention wasn't to cover everything. So I'm on here though. The content's going to be coming, the predictions, the honesty behind it. So let me know what projects you're into, what you're holding for the community side. I'm interested. So thank you guys so much for watching. All the official links will be down below in the description. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.